Emma was having trouble sleeping. As she lay in bed, her mind raced about excitement for the next day. It was April 2nd, International Children's Book Day, and her class was holding a book exchange and reading party to celebrate. International Children's Book Day originated in 1967. It is sponsored by the International Board on Books for Young People, who chose April 2nd in honor of famed fairy tale writer Hans Christian Andersen's birthday. The goal of the day is to inspire a love of reading and promote children's books and literacy around the world. Reading is an essential part of child development. Books open young minds to new words and ideas. They teach children language and cognitive skills as well as important values and life lessons. However, in many parts of the world, children have limited access to books. International Children's Book Day aims to change that by encouraging reading, promoting access to books, and celebrating great children's stories. To mark the day, Emma's teacher organized a book exchange where each student would bring in a book to trade with another student. Emma chose her favorite fairy tale to share. In class, they would read books together and do fun activities related to the stories. Emma's mother took her to the library to select some new books to bring home and read. At school, Emma was thrilled to trade her book for a mystery story she had never read before. Her class spent the afternoon reading, drawing pictures of characters, and reenacting scenes from their favorite tales. Many schools, libraries, bookstores, and communities organize reading and book-related events on International Children's Book Day. Some donate books to children in need or fundraise for literacy programs. Others arrange for authors and illustrators to visit and share their stories with children. International Children's Book Day highlights the importance of giving all children access to the wonder and knowledge within books. Thanks to her school celebration, Emma discovered a new story she loved and felt inspired to continue reading and exploring the adventures that books could take her on. Promoting literacy and a love of reading is a gift that lasts a lifetime. Overall, International Children's Book Day is a reminder of the power of books to transform children's lives. April 2nd is International Children's Book Day. Here is our painting with all your pastels for this special day, and have a wonderful International Children's Book Day. Cheers!